I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
Okay. We're doing it live, ladies and gents. Welcome to the show. Hope everyone's doing well out there. It is another bloody day. I said it earlier today. I said we were going to head lower. The rollover continues. And lo and behold, that's exactly what we got going on. I'm not showing any feed from X right now. I know X has been having some issues. They're trying to shut my man Elon down. Man, they're trying to shut him down, ladies and gents. He's getting too powerful. Too powerful. At any rate, who we got in the building over on YouTube? Crypto's Dead says anything for clicks. It's all Trump's fault. There you go. Cluck. We got Crypto Pollo in the house. Yeah. Yeah, Wisdom Bars. Jonah Curry in the house. Solana scam dead. Nah, man. Yeah, Char. Twitter's down. I know people have been having issues. I'm able to actually load Twitter, but clearly I'm not able to stream to Twitter right now, which is where I get most of my live views. Ironically enough, it's not YouTube. So unfortunately, we don't have too many people in the building today. Shout out to the sponsor for today's episode, which is 𝗪𝗡𝗘𝗫. I don't know if you guys heard of 𝗪𝗡𝗘𝗫. They've been around for a while. I've seen Crypto Banner talk about them. We're going to start trading with them this week. See how we can hash out some trades over there. Bring up the screen here. But we're going to make money today, ladies and gents. We're already up over on Blowfin with the algo. I'll show you guys that in a second. Woo is in the house. My God. The blood moon reversal is coming, says Brit VR. Hi, been in the building. Right. Normally that's how it goes, right? I'm going to be honest with you, bro. I'm going to be totally honest with you. I think we go lower. There's a lot unraveling right now. You guys got to remember, carry trade is unwinding. You've got slowdown in the U.S. There are a lot of factors that we need to pay attention to. So at any rate, I've got about a 3K over on WEX. Or 𝗪𝗡𝗘𝗫, depends on how you like to say it. I say 𝗪𝗡𝗘𝗫. We're gonna see what we can do and what we whip up over there. Still trading with BYDFi, but I haven't taken any trades today over there. And of course, you know, Bloodalytics is actively trading all day, 24/7, 7 days a week over on Blowfin. All right, so make sure you guys go sign up over there if you want to test out the Bloodalytics algo system for 30 days. You can do that. Scan this QR code you see on the screen. And also, additionally to that, if you guys want to gain access to let me go on over to it really quickly. This chart, I'm dropping a link in the chat right now. You guys want access to this chart? Shout out to Crypto Billy, he's in the building today. You guys want access to this chart? All you got to do is scan the QR code you see on the screen right now. I don't know why it's not load. Is it loading? Oh, it is loading. Okay. We're good. So we are loaded up here. All right, so this is the 1 minute scalping system developed by Bloodalytics. You guys have access, scan that QR code to gain access to this script, and you can actually use this script on any chart that you want. I just got it calibrated for the 1 minute for Ethereum and 1 minute on Bitcoin from Binance's feed. So you can do whatever you want with the indicator. Once you sign up, you'll go into your indicators, invite only, and then you'll see public 228E3 or E25. That's the script you can add to any chart and then calibrate it to your needs. All right. So we're going to be looking at some trades. Hopefully we can get into something today. I don't know. Like, markets are so oversold. Only thing I will really want to get into is a buy. But the only thing I have a buy on, from my understanding, I just looked at this earlier. Let me bring this back up. The only buy I have on deck right now, guys, is Tron. As you guys can see here, Tron we did a buy on Tron at 122. So just a minute ago, literally, I was eyeing this buy. So we're going to go ahead and enter this buy on WEX and see what we can do here. Why is it not showing that I'm logged in? I should be logged in over here. For some reason, I'm not. That's strange. So let me log in. Let's see here. All right. So let's get into it. Let's try to go long on this TRX. Honestly, that's really all I want to do. We're so oversold intraday that's really the only thing I can see us trying to do right now. At least that's what the indicators are showing. As you guys know, I like to do no more if your exchange has a ruler bar, right? A percentage bar. I usually do like 10% on the first trade, just to nibble at it, see what we can do. So we got our trade in. It's strange over on WEX. The strange thing about WEX is that you can only have it open in one window, which is a little weird. Like if you have it open in two windows, it does not allow the session to show. It like logs you out the other one, which is a little strange. But at any rate, we'll watch that. Go all in? Never. I'm not trying to blow my money. No, sir. More importantly, I won't go all in because we might get a reversal and I can buy a second batch down here in this range somewhere. Dollar cost average in, just in case we get a pullback. Now again, you can start utilizing this chart, which is a little bit more. It's only 2 pairs, but they're really granular. The resolution is really tight, so you're in trades. You got to watch these trades from this chart right here. If you're doing the scalping, Bloodalytics scalping system, you got to really watch the charts because it can change at any point. And I suggest using this tool primarily during a period where you have time to be in front of the screen. Because as you can see today, the sequence of trades for Ethereum, we went long really early. So that's pretty early for if you're on the East Coast. But we went short, then back long at 5 a.m. this morning. And, you know, that was a good trade right there. That long was. We took a lot of that profit before the markets turned around at 10 o'clock this morning. And boy, we dipped and kept dipping. Yeah, brother. The thing is, I'm using the same browser. It usually doesn't do that. That's the strange thing about it. Usually it shares a session across the same browser, just a different tab. If I use a different browser, it's definitely not going to work. That's the thing, Unc. How far will Bitcoin go? We're going to talk about that in today's episode. We're going to talk about that. Dow crashing too. Yeah, we'll look at the Dow really quickly. And this is what I'm saying, guys. We're going to go much lower. Because, again, you got to remember, if you take the Dow out of it, if you take the equities, not the Dow, but you take the equities out of this equation in regards to crypto. Why do I keep getting logged out? This is like crazy strange. It's my first time using them, so I'm just trying to understand what's going on. Is there something in my settings or what? Can't be my settings. So I put 5K, almost 6K on TRX long using the aid of Bloodalytics right here. We've been toggling back and forth, but we've had some pretty good trades today actually with TRX. We went short this morning at 10 o'clock with the rest of the market tanking. Tried to go another short, add on another short, but ended up going long at 11 and kind of toggling back and forth, but we'll see what happens here. I do want to show you this chart though. This is the main chart we need to take a look at. Okay, because guess where we are? We're right there at the main area that I told you we needed to watch. The A out of this pennant, the A factor or A point pivot on this pennant, A, B, C, D up here, right? At D, I told you on Twitter, and I had to put this on the chart. I tweeted this out on the D wave. It's not really a wave, but the D pivot on this pennant right at the top. I told you, I tweeted this out 10:30 a.m. March 6th. That's exactly what I said. Get out the way. The markets are going to roll over. I can just feel it. And lo and behold, that's exactly what it did. So at this point, we are we had a dead cat bounce. Dead cat bounce right here over the weekend, going to Sunday. A lot of people thought that was going to continue into Monday as U.S. Open. I wasn't too sure about that. We needed to get and stay above this line here, which is 83,000. But we really didn't. If you technically look at it, we really didn't stay above it. 83,000, roughly that area. We had 1, 2, 3 closes above that on the hour chart. Not confident there. That wasn't good price action above 83, which is basically this zone right here where C is. But now we're down here with A. And if we break A, which we were so close, oh, close, but no cigar, right on the precipice. And that's this hour. So we got another half an hour left in this candle. I think we're going to break it. And if we break it, then we should quickly move down to our target of 71, 73 area, which is really, it's another 6-7%. That's, and then down to 71K, we're talking about another 10% move down. But I can see that happening between now and tomorrow. Now the big question is, will we hold that? Crypto City in the house. Brian Kelso says 50K. Brother, I hope not. I hope not. I'm hoping that 70K holds. That's my target for a bounce. But we're gonna make money no matter what. We're gonna make money on the way down as well. It's just a lot more choppy making money on the way down, shorting something, because the markets it's not symmetrical price action wise when you're talking about dropping. You get a lot of whiplashing, a lot of back and forth on the way down versus on the way up. It's typically a lot smoother. But again, having that scalp chart does help on intraday trades. So definitely check this out. Speaking of trades, algo trades, we have currently 5 trades open. We got that TRX trade long open, trying to go against the trend. Hopefully it'll pan out for us, but we are primarily bearish in this market right now. Near been holding this bad boy. This is a 600% trade right here. Round of applause. Near is killing it. I'll show you that trade in a minute. Short. BNB, we're up about 45% right now. H-bar up 80% on this short and 209% on the ETH short. So we're predominantly short or bearish in the market right now. At least Bloodalytics sentiment is bearish. Let me show you that near trade though really quickly. So here's the near trade we opened on Friday. We went short on near Friday. So it was a back. See, well, this is what I mean by on the short side. You get a lot of choppiness back and forth. You got to trade through it. You're going to get a slight drawdown going back and forth, but you'll eventually pick up the right trend and it pays for itself. So we got near in at $3, base $3.03 roughly, somewhere around there. Yeah, $3 flat really. And we're all the way down here at $2.37, man. Crazy. We're talking about a 20% drop in near on that short. Tron Tron not looking too good, ladies and gentlemen. Not looking good. Not looking good. We're going to add to this trade, though. We'll go ahead and add to this trade. Who else we got in the building today? I'm not streaming on X right now, which is unfortunate. Zero Fuck says, let it fall along with interest rates. Money printer fires back up and we're in for a massive recovery. This isn't a short-term thesis. End of the year is going to be up, way up. Interesting. So I can't say I disagree with you on the money printing. Trump is going to have to. He's going to, anyone, doesn't matter who was in office, was going to have to turn the money printer back on. Because there's not enough, Trump's got some political will. I ain't never seen nothing like it in my life. However, he is not going to let the stock market just tank, in my opinion. So the money printer will turn on. I do agree with you. Let me zoom in so you guys can see these, where we are with this. TRX long we're in, down 11% right now. Let me take a look at the charts to see if I'm ready to double up on this long. Let's see. Yep. Let's go ahead and double up on this long. Add another 10% to it. All right. All right, just added 6,700 more to this long trade on Tron. So let's see what happens here, guys. Come on, Tron. Come on, baby. Let's go. Turn around, baby. Turn around. Even though I don't listen, I'm just trading live. I got to make some trades. Can't have you guys just sitting here looking at the screen. So we're going to try to make some small trades here. But I personally think markets are going to head lower. So we'll end up going short again if we need to on Tron. That's the only trade I see that we can enter at this point, a new trade. I don't see anything else.
Rice TVX, the Mike's live wire. American Pitbull, real gold buyer. Sound money advocate, vice defender. In the crypto arena, he's the top contender. From the gritty streets of the digital age, Rice lays wisdom, chapter and page. Silver, gold, he scores only the bold. Land, life, and liberty, these values hold. Constitution, deep dive, knowledge revival. Navigate the system, critical for survival. Rice engraved like inscriptions on metal.
Yeah, I agree. M2 money supply going crazy for sure. Bitcoin follows the U.S. liquidity. My question to you is, Zero Fucks, is there a scenario that you can see where increase in liquidity doesn't help anything? Like, is there a scenario where that can happen? Look like we might be getting a slight bounce. Man, the scalp is looking really good on this Bloodalytics 1 minute scalping chart, boy. That's looking very, very good. Trade intuition in the house.
It's the rundown. Everything you need to know. It's the rundown. Everything you need for show. It's the rundown. And I ain't even capping on this. Crypto blood covering every topic on this. Welcome to the show. Who didn't let me go? Breaking down the facts.
I hear that. I hear that. Banks definitely have the green light. Trump is ultra pro Bitcoin. Like, this is great. But no matter how pro an administration is, if the stock market is crumbling, crypto's going to follow and actually outperform whichever direction, down or up, is going to outperform. That's the problem. I think I'm gonna add 5 more K to this long. Well, it's starting to turn around, so maybe not. Maybe I waited too late. Looks like we're about to go short on Tron, guys. That long is not. I knew it wouldn't, but that was the only signal or trade I had that I could get into. So we're gonna probably go short here really soon. On Tron, going short on Tron. Now, WEX does have a what's called a reverse button, which I like exchanges that have this. Allows you to quickly just reverse course on this trade. So that's what we're gonna do. See, on WEX, you have to pick how much you want to reverse. So I'm gonna do the whole 100%. If you don't do 100%, it'll keep the rest of that trade short open. Yeah, bro. If we fall below, wait a minute. Did we just breach the C wave or the A wave on that pennant? Oh, so close. Look how close we are. The red line is where current price is. Like, we're right there on Bitfinex. Now we're wow. We got 9 minutes left in the hour. Will we break the C or A wave pivot on this pennant? I think so. I told you we would breach it before the hour, but we keep getting saved by the bell. Very interesting. We just broke it. I mean, we're right there. Come on, you gotta be kidding me. Go ahead and break it. Our Tron short is active. Do you guys see this shit? Do you see this? It's frozen in time. Okay, now we're going back up. Wow. I'm zooming down to the 1 minute. Because when this bad boy breaks, we might get a nice little drop. There it goes, volume heading higher. And I think we just broke it. No, we didn't. We didn't break it. So Bitcoin has fallen 11% since March 3rd. Wow. Oh, we just broke it. We just broke it, ladies and gents. Here's our short on Tron. Up about 16 bucks, but we lost maybe 80 or 90 bucks on that. About 80 something bucks on that last long we tried. So we got a little ways to to go to make up for that. For that L. Yeah, we lost 70 bucks. 70 bucks on that trade. Oh, we're getting the squeeze. We're getting the short. Which is cool. I'll be able to add to my position, but not yet. You gotta see some more bounce. Maybe we get halfway, maybe the 23.31 range. I'll add another 5K to this short. Take a look at the scalp, 1 minute scalp chart.
Smoked on. Hold on, be brown bread and not kicking my blood mouth.
So you got to remember, my chart, my two Satoshi chart that I've been basically doing TA on for since 2017 on this same chart here. This is the Bitcoin versus US dollar, not USDT, slightly different. This is against the actual dollar, not a Tether stable coin, and it's on Bitfinex. So it breaching on Bitfinex might not have breached on a large majority of the other exchanges. But I like Bitfinex because it stays true to its technical. So we should see, if they haven't, we should see the other ones break this trend as well to the downside. Man, I didn't have time to add to this short. I saw it heading higher, then it dropped. Dang it. All right, let's add to this short. Bring that dollar cost average up a bit. Do you see SOL touching 99, 97? Probably. I'll take a look at the charts, but yeah, man, I think we're heading lower. Especially if Bitcoin touches 73, 71. Big Dog said, I look scared. No, I'm not scared. I'm just looking at the trades, bro. I'm not scared. We good. We good. We good. Just looking at the trades, man. Looking at the setups. That's all. Bitcoin heading lower again. Made another low. Though barely. It's still inched lower. The 1 minute scalping chart available now to the public. Check it out. Let's see what it's doing. Scan that QR code to jump into the Bloodalytics family. All right, we got man, those are some nice trades today. This here was a back and forth, which drew the account down on Bitcoin's trade performance, but it's going to make it up on this short here. We didn't have that issue with Ethereum though. 2 wins in a row, big wins in a row with Ethereum scalping. 1 minute chart. Bookmark it right now. Bookmark this chart.
Yo, it's crypto blood, Detroit flow, streaming from the D, knowing what to show. Indicators are wrong point, OG since 12, invested in trade, living life like a pro. I'm Rucker, Jerry, it's just bloods do. Bad motherfucker in a good way, boo. Got my eyes on the charts, ain't no time to sleep. Get that money, gotta keep it creep. That's why crypto blood, 𝗙𝗘𝗘𝗫 on the line. Stacking my coin, got the market on my mind. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum too. Cash is king, but I'm looking for a new move. I know the culture of the markets like the streets. Got my finger on the pulse, can't nobody beat. I see the trends, I see the flow. Got my strategies in place, you know.
Rice TVX, the Mike's live wire. American Pitbull, real gold buyer. Sound money advocate, vice defender. In the crypto arena, he's the top contender. From the gritty streets of the digital age, Rice lays wisdom, chapter and page. Silver, gold, he scores only the bold. Land, life, and liberty, these values hold. Constitution, deep dive, knowledge revival. Navigate the system, critical for survival. Rice engraved like inscriptions on metal. Pitbull in the game, lead foot on the pedal, foot on the pedal.
𝗠𝗔𝗞𝗘𝗫 on the beat. It's the rundown, everything you need to know. It's the rundown, everything you need for show. It's the rundown, and I ain't even capping on this. Crypto blood covering every topic on this. Welcome to the show, 𝗙𝗘𝗘𝗫, breaking down the facts, there's more you need to know. Crypto politics and culture, always keep it real. Teaching you the truth, showing you how I feel. Stay informed with me, and I break it down with ease. Every single day, bringing expertise. Current events and trends, I analyze with care. Knowledge is the power that we all can share. Yeah, y'all, hit that like button. Share the stream, and join the team. And you already know what the fuck going on. Shout out to my nigga Crypto Blood. straight quick. Quick, really quick. Straight quick. Quick. This fake trippy. That's thing, baby. Put your mouth on. Hold on, be brown bread and I can kill my blood mouth.
Yo, it's crypto blood, Detroit flow, streaming from the D, knowing what to show. Indicators are wrong point, OG since 12, invested in trade, living life like a pro. I'm Rucker, Jerry, and just bloods do. Bad motherfucker in a good way, boo. Got my eyes on the charts, ain't no time to sleep. Get that money, gotta keep it creep. That's my crypto blood, just the toasters on the line. Stacking my coin, got the market on my mind. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum too. Cash is king, but I'm looking for a new move. I know the culture of the markets like the streets. Got my finger on the pulse, can't nobody beat. I see the trends, I see the flow. Got my strategies in place, you know.
Rice TVX, the Mike's live wire. American Pitbull, real gold buyer. Sound money advocate, vice defender. In the crypto arena, he's the top contender. From the gritty streets of the digital age, Rice lays wisdom, chapter and page. Silver, gold, he scores only the bold. Land, life, and liberty, these values hold. Constitution, deep dive, knowledge revival. Navigate the system, critical for survival. Rice engraved like inscriptions on metal. Pitbull in the game, lead foot on the pedal, foot on the pedal.
𝗙𝗘𝗘𝗫 on the beat. It's the rundown, everything you need to know. It's the rundown, everything you need for show. It's the rundown, and I ain't even capping on this. Crypto blood covering every topic on this. Welcome to the show, who didn't let me go? Breaking down the facts, there's more you need to know. Crypto politics and culture, always keep it real. Teaching you the truth, showing you how I feel. Staying forward with me, and I break it down with ease. Every single day, bringing expertise. Current events and trends, I analyze with care. Knowledge is the power that we all can share. Yeah, y'all, hit that like button. Share the stream, and join the team. And you already know what the fuck going on. Shout out to my nigga Crypto Blood.
All right, ladies and gents, I'm back. Oh my God. What done happened? We dropping, but we gaining at the same time, baby. we short the whole market. We are short the whole market. So, you know, it is what it is. We finally broke that level I was talking about. And really, I can't see anything. We finally broke it. But I can't see anything in between that pivot point A and $73,000. So on Bitcoin. So I'm not too sure where we go from now. We closed the short on Tron over on Wex and on Blowfin, but I'm manually trading on Wex. As you guys can see here, made $186 minus a $70 loss on that initial long. So that was a good trade. I don't think I'm going to add to this trade because I don't want to have to monitor it during the middle of the day, rest of the day. So I'll just let that play out. I let the automated system make the trade on Blowfin though. So we should have a short back open on TRX on Blowfin. Let's just double check that really quickly. Yes, indeed. We do have another short open on TRX. We closed the short. We closed the short here earlier. And we've been closing this BNB short as it's been going lower. H bar, same thing. Been locking in the gains on the H bar short. Still nibbling off of that. You can enjoy this type of accuracy from the palm of your hands by joining or signing up for the 1-minute scalping system on TradingView, powered by Bloodalytics. You can trade on Blowfin if you like. Powered by Bloodalytics. Scan that QR code to sign up. $24 a month. Cancel at any time. Ethereum at 1,800. Oh my God, I got a one handle on Ethereum. Jeez, man. I know people on Ethereum bag holders are not feeling good about this move. This is, if I zoom out to the 13, I gotta reset the chart though. Let's see here. This is, oof, not a good look for Ethereum. I'll tell you that much. I mean, just in January, it was at $3,400. Now we're at $1,800 Ethereum. 47% drop. I guess it's in line. Solana's dropped, I think, just about that much as well. Got this note. Wrong ear. So, hey. Well, I'll continue to monitor this as the day goes on. Technical break to the downside occurred. So at this point, we're just kind of watching to see when it will touch 73K. A lot of people saying 70. We'll see. I'm banking on 73K. Might not get to 70. But you also got, you know, the stock market is not doing well today. Dow tumbles 1,100 points. NASDAQ down 4.8% today. So this has a lot to do with the NASDAQ and the equity markets as well. This is not just a crypto-related situation. Risk-on assets are being sold off right now. So keep that in mind. VIX is up 25% today. So has followed Bitcoin while ETH bleeds this cycle. That will continue, Web3 says. I hear that. Yeah, so we got to sell off on risk on assets, period. That does not help the situation for crypto at all. But that's it for today, guys. I'm going to wrap up today's trading session. We've been going for about 2 hours now. About 50 minutes left in U.S. trading zone. Just wanted to show you guys some scalps. We made one trade on weeks. I say WEX, but weeks or WEX. Successfully, we're able to bounce back from the initial long loss, which I thought we would end up not making much on that. just simply because the overall trend in the markets are down. So once we took the short signal with Bloodalytics, I jumped on it and was able to redeem myself for 186 bucks. So what's that, 100 and some change today, minus fees. Again, if you guys want to enjoy this type of accuracy, there's a scalping signal available to you on TradingView. All you have to do is have a basic TradingView account, sign up, scan that QR code you see in the top right corner, scan that and join. Drop your TradingView username in the sign up form, and then we will activate you, and you'll essentially get an alert. Let me see if I can show you exactly how that looks before we get out of here. So you will get an alert in your TradingView account that looks something like this. And you would just use this chart. I'll drop a link to it right now. Bookmark this link. You load this up and you'll be locked and loaded and ready to go once you've signed up and we've activated your subscription on TradingView. It pays for itself. It's your boy Crypto Blood. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and sign up with WeX and Blowfin. Link for Blowfin, I believe, is not in the chat or in the description of this video. You have to scan this QR code right here on the screen to sign up with Blowfin. And join me over at WeX right now. I'm out of here, people. Holla.